Prepare yourself to relax and experience magic. Get comfortable in your bed or anywhere you consider the best place for you today. Take a few deep breaths in and out, sending your mind, your body, and your soul the signal to be present and relax. Close your eyes softly and bring your awareness to your energy center, the center that distributes energy all through your body and beyond. Activate your energy system to allow you to travel to a different dimension with your imagination and your divine power. Visualize yourself in a large, beautifully decorated room. You are sitting down on a golden chair, surrounded by wise elders. They have the mission to prepare you for a very important ceremony. The atmosphere is one of infinite love and support. You know that the people here have the deepest love for you, and your well-being is their priority. You can see that there is a lot of activity in the room. Everybody is focused, but each of them is an essential part of the circle of love. Someone is combing your hair. A very dedicated lady who is putting her heart and soul onto her task. She has lovely energy. You can perceive her good intentions, her love. Your hair feels loved and special. You can see a couple of loving gray-haired tailors who are busy with the garments you will wear. There is a lovely table by the window. You see lit candles, bowls with fresh fruit, crystal glasses, and bottles with water. Two older ladies come to get you and kindly ask you to get up. They present you special clothing, carefully handmade for you. You put it on. It fits you perfectly. Such soft and precious fabric. Then they present a chest which you open and find the most beautiful shoes you've ever seen. Silver and sparkling because of a layer of tiny small diamonds. Just like the clothes, they fit perfectly. They feel so comfortable and natural. Two elders stand in front of you and the rest line up behind you. A soft and magical tune starts playing and all of you start walking out of the room. Into a big hall with millions of small lights and many more people who have been waiting for you. You feel at home, loved, recognized, valued. You hear the voice of one of the elders in front of you while he turns to you. We have all gathered here to celebrate and honor you. We have witnessed your growth and your commitment. We are here for you today and always. We have supported you and will continue to do so. You are part of us, and we are part of you. You grow and we grow with you. You fall and we help you stand up. You look at the faces of the people around you and recognize all of them. They are family. They are you. The most amazing feelings of gratitude and infinite love bathe you. The whole room is filled with gratitude and infinite love. This is a tribute to you, but also a tribute to everyone else. You are you, but you know that you are also them. Happy music starts playing. People start dancing and celebrating life. Dance, flow like your soul wants to. Feel the magic, enjoy the love. Some people give you flowers. Some bring you food. All of them smile at you. You are part of this incredible circle of souls. What an honor to be here, to be one of them. Today, the circle is celebrating you. Next time, it will be someone else. Everybody gets their turn to be honored. Enjoy the music, the dance, the laughter, the food. At one point, the music changes into something calmer and very soothing. The two elders approach you and present yet another box. You open it and find a golden key inside. Nobody says anything. You know exactly it is time to leave. You walk towards a big door, one that has golden columns and silver lights. You use the key to open it, and off you go. Off to incredible adventures and experiences. Off to receive even more presents, which will bring you even more joy and love.